Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with ER. In this video guys, we are going to learn something new, something different. In this video guys, we are going to learn something new, something different in React.js. Okay? Yes guys, you heard it right. Today in this video, in this session, we are going to learn something new, something different in React.js. Okay? And guys, today in this video, in this session, we are going to learn that how we can create an awesome, dynamic and state-of-the-art project in React.js using Ant Design as well. Okay? Yes guys, you heard it right. Today in this video, in this session, we are going to learn that how we can create an awesome, dynamic and state-of-the-art React application using the Ant Design UI framework as well. Okay, so guys, just to give you the demo, I have already created an example. So let me go to the example first and let me just show you the example. Let me just explain you the example so that we will get to know that today what we are going to learn, and today what we are going to build, today what we are going to create in this video, in this session with me, ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, let me go to the example now and let me just show you the example. Let me just explain you all the feature, all the functionality as well. Okay, so let me go to the example now. So guys, this is the example I have built using purely React.js, Vue and Ant Design as well. Okay, yes guys, you heard it right. Today in this video, in this session, we are going to use React using the development tool known as Vue or White. Okay, along with the Ant Design UI framework as well. Okay, so guys, we all know that Ant Design is the world's second most popular or used UI framework in React. Okay, yes guys, you heard it right. Ant Design is the world second most used, most popular UI framework being used in React. Okay, so guys, here also today in this video, in this session on this channel Code with ER, we are also gonna use that what is Ant Design and how to use the Ant Design in our React app, in our React application. Okay, although guys, I have created number of videos, okay, already using the Ant Design. Okay, if you have not watched my previous videos, just go to my channel and try to watch the like what is Ant Design and what is the grid system, what is the layout system, how to use the Ant Design, how to create cards, how to like design or develop the awesome animated and dynamic UI using the Ant Design in React.js. Okay, so guys, this is it. Okay, so I will explain you what is Ant Design along with the session, along with the video also. But as of now, let's just know that we are also gonna use Ant Design here today in this video, in this session. Okay, so let me just go to the components. Okay, so guys, components is the main thing in Ant Design. Okay, and to use any component you have to import it. Okay, like see, I'm gonna use here the button also. So first we have to import the button. I'll use the divider also, I'll use the grid system also, I'll use the we can use anything like input forms, switch, slider, select, okay, calendar, badge, avatar, card, okay, carousel, collapse, description, empty, image list, anything. Okay, guys, whatever components you want to use, you have to just import it in your project. Okay, and you are free to use it. Okay, in your React app, in your React application. Okay, like alert, drawer, we will also use the drawer also, message, modal, notification, confirm, okay, progress, result, escalation, spin, watermark. Okay, and guys, there are number of components. Okay, this is why it is one of the second most used popular UI framework in React. Okay, so this is it. I will explain you what is ant design in another video as well. As of now, let's just come to the main, okay, like aim of this video, of this session. Okay, so let me go to the example now, and let me just explain you the example as well. Okay, so this is the logo of White, this is the logo of React, we all know, and this is the logo of ant design. Okay, so guys, below we can see here we have got here 8 user profile cards. Okay, okay, so guys, as you can see here we have got, okay, 8 user profile cards. Okay, and on each and every user profile cards we can see, okay, user profile, username, okay, designation or the profile of the user, email address, mobile number, address, and one button called see profile. Okay, so guys, likewise, for all the user profile, for all the user cards, okay, we can see the user pic, user profile, username, user designation, user email address, user mobile number, user address, and one button called see profile. Okay, likewise for all the user profile, for all the user cards. Okay, so guys, here we can see one button, okay, on each and every user profile called see profile. Okay, so guys, whenever you will click on any of the button of any of the user profile card, you will be able to see the entire details about that particular project, I'm sorry, about that particular user. Okay, in a nice and animated drawer as well. Okay, yes guys, here we are gonna use this drawer. Okay, let me just open this. So let me just show you uh, which component, okay, we are gonna use mainly from this. Okay, and design. Okay, so give me just two more seconds only. So where is the drawer? Yeah, here is the drawer, open it. So let it just open. You can see here we have to import it also, import drawer from ant design. Okay, which means ANTD, which means ant design. Okay, so when to use is here, just go through it. This is the example, just click the button open. Okay, so we can see here this is the basic drawer. Okay, and open the drawer also, so we can, okay, increase the width. Okay, as per our need, as per our project requirement. Okay, you can see here this is the default drawer. Okay, open the large drawer. Okay, so we can set the width also, like custom width. Okay, so here we are gonna use this component known as the drawer. Okay, mainly in this our project. Okay, today. Okay, so come here. So guys, the moment you will click any of the C button, okay, on any of the user profile card, you will be able to see that particular user, all the details in a nice and animated drawer. Okay, as well. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna see the entire details of this user, name as John Doe. Okay, so hit the button see profile, hit it now. See, boom guys, we can see here this is the username John Doe, this is the user profile pic. Okay, and the moment you will hover over the image also, we can see the preview as well. Okay, so if we want to see the preview of the image, we can click this image and we will be able to see the preview. Okay, so hit the image now. See, this is the preview. Okay, and we can see the image also. Okay, the same image. So you can just close this image by clicking this cross icon also, and by clicking anywhere on the gray area as well. Okay, so we can click this. Okay, preview or light box effect, or we can say modal as well. Okay, in two ways. One ways is by clicking anywhere on this gray area. Okay, and by clicking this icon as well. Okay, we can, okay, see the controls here also. So we can, okay, revert the image like this way also. We can rotate the image also. Okay, you can see here how cool and how dynamic our ant design UI is. Okay, so we can enlarge the image also, and see we can enlarge the image. If we want to see the bigger image, we can decrease the image width as well. Okay, so this is the feature, this is the functionality of the image, okay, component in and design. Okay, so close this. So guys, this is the details about this particular user called John Doe. Okay, so here is the name, here is the account, okay, here is the email address, and here is the phone. This is the skills, okay, he purchased or he have, okay, or he has. Okay, guys, just don't, okay, focus on my grammar. Okay, like in like conversation, in like we can make such mistakes also. Sometimes we will say, okay, since, okay, 2 years, but it's not since 2 year, it's for 2 years, since like since morning, such kind of, okay, grammatical like error will be there. Okay, because here we are not here to learn grammar or English. Okay, here we are learn to, okay, we are here to learn, okay, React. Okay, and to build awesome and awesome project in React using the any frameworks like Bootstrap, UI, like Ant Design or Chakra, any like frameworks. Okay, so like jokes apart. Okay, so guys, this is the skills, okay, he has. Okay, and this is the address, this is the description, this is the birthday, and this is the website. Okay, so just close this. See this user details, Jane Smith. Click the button, see profile. So see, this is the Jane Smith. We can see the preview also. If we want, we can close this from here. We can close this by clicking anywhere on this gray area as well. So this is the name, John Jane Smith. Account is this, email is this, phone number is this, skill is this, okay, address is this, description is this, birthday is this, and website is this. Okay, so click this, close to. Okay, see profile of Alice Johnson. See the profile, like click the button, see profile, close this. Okay, this profile, see, this is the name, this is the image, we can see the preview also. Okay, and this is the full name, account, email, phone, skills, address, description, birthday, website, etc. Okay, so just close this. This is it. I don't want to explain you like more things, okay, because it will make the things complicate. Okay, so click the button, see profile. Okay, so this is the Emily Rose, this is the profile pic. You can see the preview also. This is the full name, account, email, phone, skills, address, description, birthday, and website. Okay, Chris Brown, see profile. So she is Chris Brown. Okay, and name is this, account is this, email is this, phone number is this, skill is this, address is this, description, birthday, and website. Okay, so likewise for all the user profile cards. Okay, so this is the name, we can see the profile also. Okay, by clicking the preview. Okay, full name, account, email, phone, skill is this, address, description, birthday, and website. Okay, so Mike Tyson. So this is the Mike Tyson. Okay, we can see the image also. So full name is Mike Tyson, account is this, account, email is this, phone number is this, skill is this, description, okay, birthday, and website. Okay, so guys, this is all about this project. Okay, and it is responsive at the same time. Okay, and I've explained you also that how we can create, okay, such a UI using the and design as well. Okay, here in this video, in this session only. Okay, so I hope I've explained you the feature, the functionality of this demo of this session. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn and let's build this awesome and dynamic project, okay, in React using this UI framework called and design. Okay, but guys, before starting of the video, I would like to request you all, guys, please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER, and please guys press the bell icon also, so that whenever I will upload the new video in the playlist, you can be notified and you can watch them instantly and you can learn from them also. And definitely guys, you will grow also by watching my video, by having my session, okay, in your career, in your tech, okay, journey as well. Okay, I know guys, I'm not a girl, so like I can, okay, like show you, okay, like obscene content, vulgar content, mindless content, okay, useless content, okay, and you will feel some kind of, okay, like dopamine in your mind, okay, and it will compel you, it will make you subscribe my channel. No, I am a boy, and I'm here, and I'm here to teach you, and I'm here to empower you with my knowledge, with my information, whatever I have, whatever I possess. I want to impart it to you, okay. So guys, whatever knowledge I have, whatever knowledge I have gained from my experience, from my college, from my work, okay, from my office, I want to share it with you, okay. So I know guys, you are not gonna subscribe my channel, okay, because I am a boy, and I don't create any vulgar, obscene, useless, mindless content to make you happy, to produce, okay, okay, dopamines in your mind, in your subconscious mind, okay. So it will make you subscribe my channel. But still guys, I would like to request you humbly, that please guys, okay, subscribe to my this channel Code with ER, and please support me, and please help me, okay guys. I need your help, I need your support, and the only way you can help me, and the only way you can support me, is by subscribing to my YouTube channel Code with ER, and by pressing the bell icon also, which will give me the confidence, and by liking all my videos, which will give me the confidence, which will give me the motivation to create awesome videos, to create cool videos like this for you, on each and every topic of web development and full stack development also, and on service now as well, okay. So guys, if you want to become a great React.js developer, then please guys, okay, this video is for you, and this channel Code with ER is definitely for you. That, okay, guys, okay, our community is very dynamic, our community is very lovely, our community is very, okay, cool, okay, to welcome the new community members, okay. So please guys, what are you waiting for? Just subscribe now my this channel Code with ER, and please press the bell icon also, and please be the part of this dynamic, great, and lovely community of mine, which I have on this channel Code with ER, okay. So please guys, please hit the subscribe button now. Now means now, please press it. I hope you will press now, and you will subscribe now my this channel Code with ER, okay, to watch the useful, dynamic, and empowering content, okay, on the channel Code with ER, okay, which will definitely empower you, which will definitely give you the confidence in your personal as well as in your professional life as well, okay. So guys, now let's get started, and let's learn, and let's create this project, okay, in React using the ant design, okay. So guys, now let me go to the code editor. So guys, here we are going to use the VS Code editor to write my code, okay. You are free to use the IDE of your choice, of your preferences, okay, but I would like to use here the VS Code editor, okay, to write my code, okay. So this is it. So minimize this, okay. So let me just first of all, let me just close this also, we don't need also. Let me just remove these components from here. Let me just remove this from here. Let me just remove this. We don't need any state as of now here. If we need, we can use it anytime, okay. We can import it anytime from the React library. Save the file, and now have a look in the browser. So this is it. We can only see the Vite logo and the React logo, okay. This is it, okay. So guys, now let me just create the first component of this session, of this video, okay. So I am gonna create here one new component. I'll save the file, okay, inside the components folder, and I'll just give the name as a user profile profile viewer, okay, dot .jsx. Save the file, okay. So guys, now let me just import React, okay, from the React only, and I'll just use the user state hook also. So let me just import it also from React only. This is it. Let me just, okay, import here like UIs, okay, or the components from this ant design, okay. So I'm gonna import, okay, some of the components from this ant design library, okay. So just come to the code now, and we are gonna import it now. So first of all, I'm gonna import here the card, okay. So I'll just say here card. Why it is not showing the automatically? So I hope we have to use it for the first time. So we have to manually import it for the first time, okay. From where? From, of course, ant design, okay. Ant means ant design, okay. Always remember that, okay. And the next component I'll use here button, and the next component I'll use here the row, to create the row. And call also, I'll use the call, okay. And I'll just use here the drawer as well, okay. I'll use the divider as well, Okay, so just import it. I'll use here the avatar also, so import it also. And I'll use the image also, so import it also from the and design library. And now I am gonna import the icons also from the and design library itself. Okay, so I'll just say here import. Okay, and I'll just import here the mail out lines. And I'll just import here the phone. Okay, out, it's capital O, out lines. I will import here the home. Okay, home out lines as well. Okay, of course from, okay, from, so at the rate I'll just say here ant. Okay, design slash icons. Okay, slash icons. So let me just recheck it and design. Okay, so later on it will not, okay, it will not produce any error. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so guys, let me just, okay, create here one user details component. Okay, and in that component we will hold the user details. Okay, in a object. Okay, in an array of object. Okay, so let me just create here. I'll say here user. Okay, user data dot jsx. Save the file. Okay, inside the components folder only. So it's already there. I will just say here user data, of course, say here one. Okay, this is it. So guys, let me just copy the user information, user details from the example only. It will save a lot of time also. And I hope it is self explanatory. Although I'll explain you each and every fucking minute details of this video, of this session. Okay, so let me just come here. So guys, okay, this is the user details. Okay, let me just copy it from here and just close this file. Okay, and let me just paste it here. So guys, here we are exporting it also, export default users. Okay, so this is the user array of object. Okay, so this is the first object, this is the second object, we can say the element also. Okay, and this is the, okay, this is the third element object, this is the fourth element, this is the fifth element or object, this is the sixth element, this is the seventh element, and this is the eighth element. Okay, and we all know that it will be always in key value pair. Okay, so this id is the key, one is the value, name is the key, John Doe is the value, email is the key, and email address is the value, phone is the key, and phone number is the value, address is the key, and address is the value, description is the key, and the description about the user is the value. Okay, avatar is the key, and the URL is the value. Okay, so guys, likewise for all the elements, likewise for all the objects. Okay, we can see here id, name, email, phone, address, description, and avatar. Okay, so this will be always in key value pair. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so guys, it contains all the details about the particular users. Okay, and we're also exporting it users, so we have to import it here in this component called user profile viewer dot jsx. Okay, so I am gonna import it now. So I'll just say here import users from where, from user data one. Okay, so guys, this is it. Okay, so guys, now let me just create here our main component. Now I will just say here user, say here pro file, say here UI. Okay, give equal to open and closing parenthesis. Okay, fat arrow. I would like to use here the fat arrow only. I'll just say here return. Okay, and this is it. I'll just create here one div also. Okay, so I'll just create here div. I'll give the style also like this. I'll give you a padding. Okay, and I'll give you a padding of, okay, 30 px. This is it. So just close this div. Okay, and let me just import it also, otherwise we will forget it. So I'll just say here export default and user profile UI, close this and put here something for dummy purpose. Okay, I'll just say here inside h1 only. And let me just guys, I hope bootstrap is not installed. Okay, let me just check if it is not installed, we will install it the bootstrap also. So I'll just say here display 4. I'll just say here font weight bold. Okay, I'll just say here text primary. So I'll just say here hello. Okay, react to developers. Okay, save the file. So first now this is it. Okay, for the testing purpose, so we have to import this user profile UI in our main component, in our parent component. I'm gonna do that now. I'll just say here user profile UI from where, of course from component, from user profile viewer. Okay, so copy this from here and just paste it here. This is it. Have a look in the browser. So just come here. I hope here. So this is it. We can see here hello react. Okay, developers. Okay, so guys, bootstrap is not installed, although we don't require here bootstrap. Okay, and I have explained you how we can install any dependencies, any plugin, any library using our terminals. Okay, if you don't know, just go like and watch my previous videos as well. Okay, so we don't need here the bootstrap. Okay, because we are gonna use here the ant design. So I install any like useless, okay, or the okay extra, like extra dependencies. Okay, this is it. So let it be. We won't install the bootstrap. Okay, we will use only here ant design. Okay, we will go with the ant design. Okay, purely. Okay, so this is it. So come here. So now below this h1 I am gonna use here the one this row. Okay, so copy this row and we are gonna create here, paste it. So just to close this row. Okay, and inside the row we can provide here the gap also by using the gutter. Okay, so we can provide the gap also by using the gutter. Okay, so it is an array. So if we want to give the space between cards, okay, we have to use here the array. Okay, so I will use here 20 and 20. Okay, so there will be gap between, okay, cards 20 20. Okay, so this is the row, this is the column. Okay, this is it. Okay, if we want, okay, if we want we can center like align the item as well. Okay, so we have to say here justify as a center. Okay, so this is it. Inside the row we are gonna use the call. Okay, so copy this call from here and we are gonna, first of all, let me just use here. So I am gonna use this, okay, users, okay, component, which is the nothing but all the user details. Okay, so I am gonna do that now. I'll use the map method. Okay, and we all know how map works. Okay, I'll just say here item. If we want, we can pass the index also, but here I don't think we need index. Okay, so let it be index also. And now we are gonna use here the this call. Okay, so copy it from here and just to paste it here. So this is it. And now inside the call we can, okay, provide the breakpoints, okay, for our responsiveness. Okay, so I am gonna provide here the breakpoints. Okay, so I'll just say here xx, okay, which means extra small. I'll give here 24. Okay, and I'll just say here s, okay, sm, which means small. Also I'll give you a 24. So we all know that, and okay, uses the 24 unit. Okay, unlike, okay, bootstrap which uses, okay, 12 unit, and design uses 24 unit. Okay, so we have to divide how many, okay, cards we want to show in a single row. Okay, so when there is a small screen, I want to show only one cards. Okay, when, okay, when there is a medium screen, I want to show here two cards. Okay, so we will give here 12. And when, okay, it is LG, which means large device or the screen, I want to show here three cards. So I'll just give here 8. And in the extra large, I'll just show here 6, which means, okay, 4 cards. Okay, and for extra large, okay, for XXL, okay, we will just also show here 6. Okay, this is the, guys, this is known as the breakpoints. Okay, in and design. Okay, so guys, this is it. Let me just, okay, bring it in the same line. Okay, so this is it. We can give the like another prop, okay, which is known as the key. Okay, so key is internally used, okay, by the React, okay, to keep track of the changes, okay, inside the list component, okay, on the iterating components or the UI. We can any say we can say anything, but this is purely used for React internal assessment. Okay, React internal modification changes. Okay, it is gonna keep track of the changes or modifications happening inside this list. Okay, this is it. Okay, I can give here the item dot id. So generally this should be unique key. Okay, this is it. Okay, so guys, now inside this call I am gonna use here this card component. Okay, so copy it from here and I am gonna use this card component now. So paste it here and close this also, and now inside this card, okay, open this card and we will just say here hoverable. Okay, so hoverable means uh, we can see the, okay, hover effect, okay, on the cards as well. Okay, so guys, as of now for the dummy purpose, just to show you, let me just, okay, say here I want to show things. Okay, so I'll just say here item dot id. Okay, we can say here, we can see here id, name, email, phone, address, description and avatar. Okay, so I want to show only the id just to, okay, for the testing. Okay, so as of now just save the file and have a look in the browser how it is gonna look like. So we can see here number 1 2 3 4 5, okay, 8 7 6 and 5, and we can see here we have got the hover effect as well. Okay, so let me just remove this hoverable, okay, properties from here. Now save the file. Now we can see we don't see any hover effect now. Okay, so let me just revert it back. Okay, this is it. Okay, so now I am gonna use here the cover. Okay, so not color, cover, say like this. Okay, and I'm gonna use here inside the cover, I'm gonna use here img. So I'll just say here src, and I'll use here the open and closing curly braces because this is the dynamic. I'll use the alt attribute as well. Okay, so we will just say here item, okay, item dot, we will just say here item dot avatar to show the picture, to show the user profile. So copy it from here and just paste it here, and instead of alt I'll just say here item dot, I'll just show here the this description. So copy it from here and just paste it here, save the file, have a look in the browser first. Okay, we can see here the image, okay, in a nice and dynamic cards also. So let me just show you, this is very responsive, this is, okay, extremely responsive. Okay, so you can see here in the this screen size I have shown here 4 cards. Okay, 3 cards. Okay, so 2 cards, 2 cards, single cards. If we want we can make it 2 also. Okay, so we will just say here 12. Okay, so we can see here 12. Okay, so 2 cards is now shown here, and now for the extra small we can see here only 1 cards. Okay, so this is the extra small, we can see here only 1 cards. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so I hope you got the deal also. Okay, so now we can see here user profile image and the id as well. Okay, so now let me just quickly, okay, populate all the information, all the details. Okay, so inside the cards only, let's just open it. I'm gonna say here actions. Okay, so I'll just say here actions. Okay, open and closing square bracket, and I'm gonna use here the button component. So let me just copy it from here button and just close this, and now I'll just say here see profile. So I will just say here see profile, this is it. Okay, I'll just give the type also as a primary. Okay, and let's just see as of now how it looks like. We can see here the button also called see profile. Let me just give you a color. I will just give you a color. I'll just say here color red. Okay, and I'll just say here variant. Okay, solid. Okay, so solid, we can see here the red button now. Okay, so this is it. Let me just show all the details. Okay, so this is it. I'm gonna use the avatar now, this component. Okay, so below this I'm gonna use it now. So I will just say here avatar like this. Okay, and open this, and now here let me just remove this. We don't need this id now anymore. Okay, so now inside the avatar I'm gonna say here src. So guys, we are gonna create now this small, okay, image, okay, in a circular, okay, in a like okay, in a circle image. Okay, so I'll just say here uh, we will just say here item. Okay, item dot, okay, we will just say here this avatar only, copy it from here and just paste it here. This is it. And I will just say here I'll give you the size also. We can give size 60, 50, whatever it is, whatever we want to give. Okay, and we will just say here, I'll just say here style also, and we will just say here margin. Okay, margin bottom I will give here of say here 15 px. Okay, save the file, have a look in the browser first. We can see here this image, but I'll just say here src. It's not index, it's item. Okay, so there is a typo, index.avatar, not its item.avatar. Save the file, have a look in the browser. We can see here this avatar now. Okay, it looks cool also. Okay, and we can see now our UI is, okay, taking shape. Okay, so just come to the code now, and we will very quickly, we will just populate all the things also. So I am gonna use the card. Okay, I will just say here card dot, okay, meta. Okay, card dot meta to show the all the details. Okay, so we will just say here, I will just give here the title like this. Okay, so title I have to make dynamic. Okay, so I'll say here item dot u. Okay, so I'll just say here item dot, so I want to show here the name, so I will say here item dot name. Okay, so I will just show the description also. So I'll give you the description as well. Okay, like this I will just say here item, okay, dot I had to show here the description, so we will just say here item dot description. So paste it here. This is it. Save the file, have a look in the browser. So we can see here name and the description, okay, in a nice, okay. And okay, we can see here is little muted text. Okay, so this is the name, okay, and this is the description about the user, about the particular profile. Okay, this is it. So now below this I'm gonna create here a couple of p elements also. So p, okay, I will just show here the icons as well, the mail icon, home icon, or the phone icon. Okay, so first of all I'm gonna show here the, you can see here this is the icon, this is the icon. Okay, this is the icon. Okay, so copy it from here and just paste it here. We can give the style also. I am gonna make it little look little larger. Okay, so I'll just say here font, okay, size I'll give here say here font size I'll give here 30 px. Okay, and we can see here one error also. So let me just not here, close this. So error is gone, remove it from here. Okay, and now this is this. So where this card come from? Okay, so I don't know where it come from. Okay, so close this. So now we will just say here item, okay, item dot, we have to show here email, so we will just say here email. Okay, so save the file, have a look in the browser first how it looks like. We can see here the email icon also, it is little larger. So let's just make it 20 and see how it looks like. Okay, so this is it. Okay, if we want we can give I will just say here margin top, I'll try to give you a little bit, say here 4 px, and see how it looks like. I hope yeah, now looking a little bit cool. Okay, so now it's looking cool also. So we have to show other details also. So copy it and paste it couple of times. Okay, here, and one more time I'll paste it here, and I have to show here the phone. Okay, so I will just say here phone. Let me just copy the phone outline icon also from here, and to just replace with this. So replace with this, I will show here the address. Okay, so we will just say here address. So we are coming, we are getting each and everything from here. Okay, phone, email, name, address, description, and ID. Okay, everything from here. Okay, from this user details. Okay, this is it. I hope you got the deal also. So let me just copy this home outline outlined icon from here, and just to replace with this. So save the file, have a look in the browser how it looks like. So we can see here we got okay this okay email address, phone number, and the home icon also, along with the address, phone number, and the email address. Okay, and below we can see here one button also on each and every user profile card. We can see here see details button also to see the entire details. Okay, so let me just replace the text. I will just say here an awesome and dynamic project in React with and design. Okay, with er Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so save the file, have a look in the browser. We can see this text now: an awesome and dynamic project in React with and design with er Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, this is it. Okay, so guys, now as of now our button is not dynamic. Okay, our button is not functioning, so we have to make it okay function now. Okay, so we have to run here one function on click of this button. Okay, so guys, now we are gonna create it now. So here on this button also, I will just say here on click. Okay, so I will just say here on click, we are gonna run one method. Okay, so fat arrow function, must fat arrow function, we can say. I will just say here show user details, and let me just pass this entire item object. Okay, along with this function called show details. Okay, so copy this function from here, and let me just create this function now. Okay, so I will just say here const like this, paste it here, give equal to, and now okay fat arrow function I would like to use here always. Okay, it's the ES6 okay syntax. Okay, so now this is it. So first of all, let me just okay we can create here a couple of okay state variables as well. Okay, I will just create here a couple of state variable. So I will just say here const, I will just say here open. Okay, and I will just say here set okay open. Okay, set open from use state. Okay, use state, and as of now let's just give it the default value of false. Okay, so I'm gonna create here one more state variable, and I'll just say here selected. Okay, selected user. Okay, and state updater function I will say here set okay set selected user. Okay, this is it, and I hope you know what we are doing here. Okay, I will just say here user state, and default value I would like to give here null. Okay, so this is it. So here we have created here a couple of state variables also. Okay, and now let me just okay as of now let me just alert the things also for you only, for your confidence. I will just say here item okay dot id to show the user id. Okay, save the file, have a look in the browser, click the button see details or see profile. We can see here id1, see the profile id2, see profile id3, and instead of id we can show here the why not show here name. Okay, so say here item dot name, see profile Jenny Smith, see profile John Doe. Okay, and Alice Johnson. Okay, likewise for all the profile card. Okay, we can see the now name. So our function is doing great. There is no any issue. There is no any discrepancy. Okay, and there is no any problem or error. Okay, I mean to say. Okay, this is it. So guys, now we are gonna create here the drawers. Okay, so guys, now we are gonna create here the drawers. Okay, so come down. Okay, below this row. Okay, so we can see here below this row I am gonna create the drawer. Okay, so come here, and now I will just create here the drawer. Okay, so we can just copy this drawer component from here and just paste it here, and just very quickly close this also. And now we have to provide here some basics, okay, attribute to this drawer components. Okay, so I will just say here title. Okay, I want to show the title. Okay, so I will just say here the title. Okay, so title I will just give here equal to, and I have to make it dynamic. Okay, so we will check this. Okay, selected user, we will define this user inside this, okay, show details function. Okay, using this state updater function called set selected user. Okay, later on in a moment. Okay, just now we will just define this selected user inside this function using this selected I mean the state updater function called set selected user. Okay, so this is the state variables selected user copied from now, and let's just paste it here. So we will just say here if it is defined. Okay, they are gonna use here this, okay, like optional chaining operator. Okay, if it is defined we will show the name. If it is defined we will show the name. Otherwise, okay, we will just show here one dummy text. I'll just say here user details. Okay, user details. Okay, this is it. Okay, and now I will just show here the placement attribute. I'll give here as of now left. Okay, so I will just say here uh, close. Okay, I will just say here closable. Okay, give here closable as a true. Okay, and I will just say here open equal to, I will just give this state variable open. We will define this state variable also here only in a moment. Okay, so I will just say here open equal to open. Okay, and I will just say here we can define here the width also. I can give here the width of 640 px. Okay, we can give anything, it's up to us only. Okay, and I will just say here let's just as of now we don't need height. Okay, but we don't need height all as of now, but let's just give it. Okay, later on we can remove it if we don't want it. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so title is this. Okay, placement is this. Okay, and closable is true. Okay, and I will just say here on close also. I will just say here on close equal to on close. Okay, so we will define this method also. So on close. Okay, on close open is open. Okay, width is 640 px, and height is this, and this is it. Okay, and now inside this we will define all the details. Okay, so just copy this selected user from here, and as of now we are gonna use here the open and closing curly braces like this, and just paste it. Okay, and we are going to use here the conditional rendering. Okay, I have already made a video on conditional rendering. Okay, if you have not watched it, okay, we can just see here conditional rendering in React explained. Okay, yes guys, watch this video. Okay, the second video called conditional rendering in React explained. Okay, it is very dynamic video guys. I have explained each and everything with the help of example. Okay, with the use of example. Okay, you can see here top 10 use case in React. Okay, so just go here and watch this video conditional rendering in React explained. Okay, so come to the code now. So now I'm gonna use here this. Okay, and now we will just use here the JSX fragments. Okay, although we can use the div also, but use here the JSX fragments. Okay, so now let's just create here one div. Okay, so guys, as of now let's just create here one div. Let's just define here internal style also. So close this div also. I will just say here display. I'll give you a flex. Okay, and I will just give here justify content also. I will give you a center. Okay, and I'll give you the align items also. Aligns say here aligns content also center, and I'll just say here align items also. Say here only center. Okay, so this is it. Open this div. Okay, and inside this div I am gonna use this image components, copy it from here and just paste it here. Okay, like this we can say. Open this. Okay, and now we will just give you the width also. So I'll just give you the width of, okay, say here 50%. Okay, we can give anything we want. Okay, it's up to us only. And now we will just say here src. Okay, and it's a dynamic now, so everything is now inside. Okay, this selected user, I will define it later on. So now everything is inside this selected user state variable. Okay, selected user, okay, state variable. So copy it from here and just paste it here. We will just say here, okay, if it is defined. Okay, if it is defined, we will just, okay, show the avatar. So copy this avatar from here and just paste it here. If it is not defined, we will show some, we will just show some, okay, static, okay, url. We will just give here some static url as well. Okay, so I will just come here and to copy this and just paste it here. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so now we will just give here the style as well. Okay, I will just say here border radius. Okay, it's a border radius. Okay, I'll give you a border radius of 10 px. Okay, so guys, now this is it. As of now, this is it. Okay, so later on we will define all the things also, but now let's just define this. Okay, state variable selected user here inside this show user details. Okay, so we are gonna do that now. Okay, so copy this state updater function called set selected user, and instead of this alert, we don't need this. We will just say here this item. Okay, this item, what is the issue? This is it. Okay, and we will just say here this okay, set open. We will also open this. Okay, it's not avatar. Copy this state variable set open from here and just paste it. And now we will just say here open it to as of now it is false, so we will just make it true. And we can see here we have set here open equal to open. Okay, and on close, we will define the on close now. So copy this method name on close from here and just below this I will just say here const, paste it, give equal to open and closing parenthesis. Okay, so fat arrow function, close this, and now we just have to set this, okay, to false again because we are closing it. Okay, so we will just say here again to false. Okay, and we will just remove the all the details also from the drawers. Okay, so we will just set it again with null. Okay, so what is the issue? Okay, you tell me if you have any problem, any queries, any doubt regarding this. Okay, just let me know in the comment section below. I'll try to read it. I'll try to definitely give you the best possible solution. Okay, so just comment me in the comment section below. I have a problem with this code. I have a problem with this section, with this line. Please explain me. I will definitely explain you guys. If you want the code also, I can give you the code also. I can provide you the code as well. Okay, my GitHub link is there on my channel. Just go there and you will be able to find all the codes. Okay, of any session, of any tutorial. Okay, so guys, now as of now, just save the file. We have defined our all the things. Okay, and I have explained you the drawer as well. This is the few things also. We have to define other things as well. Okay, so we have given here title, placement is left, closable is true. On close we have defined here open is the state variable. Okay, it is gonna update, okay, like open. We can see here open, it is false or true. Based on that we will open the drawer with this, okay. And as of now we don't need hide, but let it be here only. If we want we can remove it, okay. So guys, this is it about the drawers. We will require all the things. We will just define all the things in a moment, okay. And as of now, for the testing purpose, save the file and have a look in the browser how it is gonna behave, how it is gonna look like, okay. So now just say the details of Alice Johnson, hit the button see profile. See, boom guys, we can see here the drawer is now opening from the right side, okay. Or we can say, I'm sorry, from the left side, okay. If we want we can say here the right as well, okay. So right now see is here in the right side, okay. So John Doe, this is the John Doe, close this, okay. See profile, close this. So this is the guys closable, okay. This is the closable true, so make it false. We won't be able to see the close icon now. See, close icon is gone. So say here true. Now we can see here the, and this is the preview, okay. So guys, this preview we can also set it to false, okay. So come to the image, okay. So we will just say here preview, okay. We will say here preview equal to we will say here preview equal to false, okay. We won't be able to see the preview now. So see, preview is gone, okay. So preview is gone now. So let's just make it true only, okay. So we can see here the preview now. We can see the image also, let it be only. It's look cool also. So we have to show other details as well. So very quickly I'm gonna show the other details now, okay. So let's just close this. We can see here we can close this drawer from this, okay. Close icon also, and by clicking anywhere on this gray area also, okay, outside this drawer, okay. If we will click here on this drawer, okay, on this white area, it is not gonna close the drawer unless we will click this close icon, and we can close, okay. We can close this drawer, okay, by clicking anywhere on this gray area as well, okay. On this gray area as well, okay. So we can close this drawer in two ways, by clicking this cross icon, and by clicking anywhere on this cross like on this gray area, okay. On this gray area, okay. This is it, okay. So we will just show the other details also very quickly. So I am gonna do that now. So come to the code now, okay. Below this div I am gonna create here another div, okay. I am gonna create here another div also. So this is, okay, I'm gonna create here another div, okay. So now, so let's just give here divider, okay. So let's just give here the divider, okay. So copy this divider components from here, and just paste it here. Let me just what is the issue, okay, okay, inside this, okay, JSX fragments only. So paste it here, and now error is gone. Have the look in the browser, we can see here the nice divider as well, okay. So now I'm gonna use this, okay, row, okay. So I am gonna use this row now, okay. So just copy this row component from here, and now we are gonna create a row now, okay. So I will just say here we can just if we want we can give the space also. I explained you here how to give the space in the gutter, okay. This is the array and this is it, okay. So let me just create here call also. So inside the row we are gonna create here the call also. So call, okay, close this, and I will just define the breakpoints also. So for the extra small I will use here 24, and for the small I will use here the we can say here 12, and for the medium screen I will use here the 12, and for the large LG I will use here the 12 also. So let's just copy this and just paste it here. So I will just, for the testing purpose, I will say here call 1, and I will just say here call, okay, 2. Save the file, have a look in the browser. We can see here call 1 and call 2, okay. So in this way we can divide the call also, okay. In this way we can divide the call also. I explained you also, okay. So now let's just create here another reusable component. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna create here another reusable component. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna create here another reusable component. Okay, I will just say here description. Okay, the component name would be here, I will give here the description. Okay, so this is known as the reusable component. We can use reuse it, okay, anywhere in the code if we want. Okay, reusable component. Okay, so let me just pass here two props also, so I know like we know that how we can pass the props in a component. Okay, in a functional component. Okay, so I will just give here the title as a first prop, and I will give here the content as a second prop. This is it, and I will just say here return, and I will just close this, and I will use here the container div. Okay, and this is it. If we want, we can give the class name also. I will just say here site. Okay, description. Okay, we can give anything description. So inside this I will just create here another p element. Okay, so I will just say here p and close this p. This is it. Okay, if we want, we can give the class also. I will just say here site description, site description, item profile, p label. Okay, so this is it. And now let me just create here a strong element. So guys, we all know that we use the strong element to show the important things, to show the important information, to show the important text in our HTML. Okay, so here also I am gonna create here the important, okay, tag, and inside the important I will show the title. So open and closing curly braces, title, and give space, give colon, and inside this p I will just show the content. So I will just copy this content components prop from here and just paste it here. This is it. Okay, so guys, in this way we have created here this, okay, reusable component, and it has got two props also, title and content. Okay, and the name of the prop is description. Okay, so copy this, we will need this description component. Okay, so that's why we just created it, okay, to make our things, okay, a little bit easier. Okay, so I am gonna use that component now here, and we can see here it takes two props also. So copy this title prop from here, and we will just define the prop now. What is the issue? Okay guys, I hope you don't have any issue. Okay, so title I will just say here a full name. Okay, so give here inside the quotes. Okay, if we want, we can remove this, okay, curly braces also, but this will also work. Okay, let it be here also. And now on the content, copy it, and here we will just give you the value of this prop. Okay, so I will just say here this selected user. Okay, this selected user dot name, to show the name, because now guys, because now each and everything is inside this state variable selected user, and here we are defining it. Whenever button is being clicked, whenever button is being clicked guys, okay, whenever any button see profile is being clicked from any of the user profile, guys, listen to me very carefully. Whenever any button called see profile is being clicked from, okay, from any user profile, we are defining this selected user state variable through this show details method. And here on click of this button only, we are calling this show details method. We are passing the entire item components along with this function or the method, and here we are using this to define this, to set this, okay, selected user state variable using this updater function called set selected user, and we are passing the item. So technically, so generally and technically also, everything from this item, everything from this item object is now inside this selected user state variable. Okay, like like id, name, email, phone, address, description, and avatar. And using this key we can show the associated value as well. Using this key id, name, email, phone, address, description, and avatar, we can show the associated value as well. Okay, so instead of item, so guys, now instead of item we have to say here selected user. Guys, instead of item, now we have to say here selected user dot id to show id, dot name to show name, dot email to show email, dot phone to show phone, dot address to show address, dot description to show description, dot avatar to show avatar. Instead of now this item, we will say here selected user dot id, name, email, address, description, or avatar. Okay, I hope I am damn or crystal clear now. Okay, so now come to the code now. So this is it. Save the file, have a look in the browser, hit the button see profile. We can see here full name is Alice Johnson. Close this. See profile. We can see here full name is John Doe. Here also full name is John Doe. So close this. Emily Rose. See profile. The name is full name is Emily Rose. Okay, see profile of Chris Brown. See profile. See Chris Brown and Chris Brown along with the image also, along with the preview also. We can see the preview as well. Okay, close this. See how dynamic and how engaging and how cool our session is. Okay, so guys, I try to always make my session okay, learning, okay, informative, entertaining, and cool at the same time. Okay, I always try to do this. Okay, but I don't know how my session went bad or or I. Okay, so this is it, guys. Okay, let it be. Okay, so guys, now we will show the account. Okay, so we will say here, but technically, guys, okay, let's just remove this. Okay, open and closing curly braces. Otherwise, okay, you guys will say no, you are teaching me wrong. No, it's not wrong. We can do that as well. Okay, so we will just say here. So we will just say here, I'm very sorry guys for the disturbance. Okay, so now we will just say here account. Okay, I will just say here account, account. And instead of account, okay, we will just show here the email address. So copy this email address from here id. We will just say here selected user dot name. Save the file, have a look in the browser. So see profile. Okay, we can see here Jane Smith and account is this. Okay, so we will show the all the details now. Okay, very quickly copy this divider from here and just put it here. Save the file and have a look in the browser. We can see here the nice divider as well. Okay, so come to the code now, and let me just copy this, and let me just paste here one more time. And I will just give here instead of account, we will just say here email to show the email. So we will say here selected user dot email to show the email. And we will just say here phone to show the phone number of the user. So we will just say here phone. Save the file, have a look in the browser how it looks like. Okay, click see profile button. We can see here email is this and phone number is this of each and every user profile. Okay, email is this, phone number is this. Close this. See profile, I'm sorry, Alice Johnson. We can see the preview also. Close this. So full name is Alice Johnson, account is this, email is this, phone number is this. Okay, likewise for all the user profile. Okay, see profile, Chris Brown. Close this. Emily Rose. Close this. Mike Tyson. Close this Palmer. Close this. Okay, so now come to the code now, and let me just copy this divider and divide it also. This is it. Okay, and now let me just copy this, okay, entire row from here and just paste it. And let me just remove one call from here. We don't need to call here, so let's just make it okay, 24 and 24. So it is gonna take the entire 24 unit or the entire width. Okay, so we will just say here email. I will just say here skills. Okay, so what skills he or she possess or have. Okay, so we will just define here the content. Let me just say here instead of content, let me just go to the uh, I hope so guys let me just guys give me guys okay only two moments. Let me just copy the text from the previous example only. Okay, so rather than going there, why not? Okay, why not guys I come here and let me just copy this. Okay, skills. Okay, from here. Okay, so close this, we don't require it anymore, and paste it here. So guys he or she has the skills. Okay, C++, data structure, software engineering, operating system, computer network, databases, compiler theory, computer architecture, microcomputer principle and interface technology, computer English, Java, ASP, etc. Okay, she has got okay or he has got a lot of skills. Okay, okay, so just now see the profile. We can see here this is the skills. Okay, he or she has. Okay, okay, along with the other details as well. So see profile, close this, see profile, close this. Okay, so guys now guys let me guys okay clear you one thing. Okay, I know guys my voice would be a little slower. Okay, audio will be not okay so strong, not okay so okay loud. Okay, so please guys, please. Okay, guys I would like to request you, I would like to recommend you also that please guys okay do use the headphone. Okay, please guys, please do use the headphone to listen to the audio, to listen to the okay voiceover. Okay, please guys do use the headphone. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so guys now this is it. So let me just copy this divider from here and just paste it here. So copy this row from here and just paste it here. And now we will just show here the address and the description as well. So we will show this address and the description now. Okay, so come here, we will say here address. So we will say here selected user dot address now instead of email. So now we will show here the I mean description also. So we will just say here description. Okay, so description. So instead of phone we will just say here this description. So copy it from here, we will say here selected user dot description, save the file. And let me just copy this divider also. So paste it here, save the file, have a look in the browser. Okay, so just Alice Johnson, see, we can see here the address. Now we can see the description as well. Okay, so close this. Jane Smith, see profile, we can see here the address and the description. So close this, we can see the John Doe also. So address is this, description is this, along with the other details also, full name, account, email, phone, skills, address and description. Okay, and we can preview the image as well by clicking anywhere on this image. Okay, so close this. Okay, so Chris Brown, we can preview the image also. So see how cool and how dynamic. Okay guys, our ant design is. Okay, we can enlarge the image also, we can decrease the size of image as well, we can rotate it also. Okay, 360 degrees. Okay, like this way and like this way as well. Okay, so I hope you will find this cool and dynamic, and you will definitely try to use okay and design okay in your React application, in your React project, if you have not already started it. Okay, guys I would like to request you, I would like to recommend you also that please guys okay do try to use the ant design okay UI framework in your React. Okay, in your to create okay your awesome and dynamic and state of the art React app and React okay website. Okay, using this and design UI framework. Okay, if you have not already started it, then please guys do get started over this. Okay, Okay, so come to the code now, and now just copy this row, and we will just show the last things as well. Okay, and let's just put here divider as well. Okay, so instead of address, we will show here the uh, birthday. Okay, we will show here now the birthday. Okay, so this is the birthday, and this is the static content. So we have to say here, I will give you a February. Okay, February, I'll give you 17. Okay, and I'll just give here any random year. I'll say here 1995. Okay, so instead of description, now here I would just show here the website. Okay, he or she might have some URL also, some web address as well. Okay, we can say the web address also. People used to call web address now. Okay, we used to call only the website. Okay, guys, we used to only call the website. Okay, now people used to call it URL. People used to call it web address also. People used to call it, okay, online address as well. Okay, what is your online address? What is your web address? Okay, I don't know, like what people started calling, okay, things, okay, on their own. Okay, so this is it. Okay, this is cool also. So I'll just say here https. Okay, https, I will just say here www dot google dot com. This is it. Okay, so okay, so save the file and have a look in the browser. Okay, so now we will see the details, okay, one by one of each and every user profile. Okay, so hit the button, see profile of this Jane Doe. We can see here birthday is February this, and website is this, description is this, address is this, skills is this, email is this, phone number is this, account is this, email is this, and the name is here also shown, and we can preview the image also. Okay, I'm very sorry, Jane Smith. We can see the entire details also. Okay, close this. See profile of Alice Johnson. We can see the entire details also. Close this. Bob. Okay, I'm not gonna pronounce the second name. Okay, so this is the name. I'm sorry, full name, account, email, phone, skills, address, description, birthday, and website, and name is also shown here. We can preview the image also. Okay, so close this. We can Mike Tyson. So preview the image. Okay, close this. Name is Mike Tyson, account is this, email is this, mike at the example.com, phone number is this, skills, she has this much of skills. Okay, address is this, description is this, birthday is this, website is this. Okay, we can close this from here and by clicking anywhere on this gray area as well. Palmer. Okay, name is Palmer. Preview the image. Okay, close this. Full name, account, email, phone, skills, address, description, birthday, and website also. Close this. Chris Brown. Okay, so preview the image. We can see the image also. Okay, and we can rotate it also, clockwise, anti-clockwise. Okay, we can enlarge the peak also. We can decrease the peak also. Okay, I hope you got the deal also. So I hope you will start using this and design, okay, UI framework in your React app, in your React application. Okay, to create the dynamic app and websites. Okay, so close this. Emily Rose, see profile. So name is this. We can preview the image also. Close this. Full name is this, account is this, email, phone number, skills, address, description, birthday, and website. Okay, so close this. Okay, so guys, this is it. Okay, so as of now, guys, we can see here the drawer is opening from the right side. Okay, guys, as of now we can see here the drawer is opening from the right hand side. Okay, so let's just change the direction now. Okay, left, okay, top and bottom as well. Okay, we can do that as well. Okay, so let's just do that now. So come here to the drawer only. So as of now it's right. Let's just make it left. Okay, save the file, have a look in the browser. So now it will open the now the drawer will open from the left hand side. Okay, now the drawers will open from the left hand side. Okay, so see profile, see it is opening now from the left hand side. Okay, or from the left only of the screen. See profile, it is now opening from the left of the screen. Close this. This looks also cool. This looks also dynamic. Okay, so Bob Marley, close this. Okay, Emily Rose. Okay, close this. Chris Brown, we can see all the details also. This Palmer, close this. And this Mike Tyson. Okay, all the details. We can preview the image also if we want anytime. Okay, close this. And now this is the left. We can give here the top as well. So now the drawer will open from the top side. Okay, from the top of the screen. Okay, now the drawer will open from the top of the screen. Okay, so see profile. See is full width because we are given here the height. Okay, we can see here we are given here the height of full width. Okay, okay, so that's why we can see here the full width. Okay, so we can see the preview also. Okay, so see. Okay, all the details also. So close this. I'm sorry, Jane Smith. Okay, all the details. Close this. Alice Johnson, all the details along with the profile picture also. Close this. Bob, we can see the preview also. Close this. And we can see the other details also: full name, email, skills, address, both the account, phone, description and website. Okay, so close this. Chris Brown. Okay, we can see the details also. Close this. Emily Rose, we can see the all the details. Okay, I hope you got the deal also. So now let's just make it bottom. Okay, so I'm very sorry for bottom. Okay, save the file, have a look in the browser. Okay, so now it is opening from the bottom of the screen. Okay, in a nice and animated way also. See, it's opening in a nice and animated way also. Okay, from the bottom of the screen. Okay, so this is it. Close this, open this, close this. Okay, from the bottom of the screen in a nice and animated way. Okay, so we can see the all the details also. So guys, this is it for this demo for this session. Okay, and I hope I try to teach you something new, something unique, something awesome, something cool from this video, from this session. Okay, and I hope guys you would have definitely learned something new, something unique, something awesome from this video, from this session. And definitely guys, you will subscribe now my this channel Code with ER. Okay, as you can see here, I will teach you here JavaScript, React, Vue, UI, web development. Okay, motivations also, career guide I will give you also. And I will just guys make you a Sigma. Okay, what can I say, personality. Okay, I'll guys, okay, so I will just guys I will just okay, start creating videos also on strong life habits also. I'll try to teach you. I'm very sorry. Okay, and guys, I'll try to teach you that okay, how we can enhance our life, how we can make our feelings more and more stronger, so that no one can disturb us, no one can play with our emotions, no one can play with our feelings. Okay, no one can play with our life as well. Okay, so I will just create the videos also. Okay, what is the strong life habits, and how we can inculcate, how we can develop this kind of habits in our life to make our life better and more dynamic and more enjoyable and more cool as well. Okay, so that you can lead a very positive, very impactful life. Okay guys, be on only one life. Okay, so guys, make this life a meaningful. Okay, enjoy your life to the fullest. Okay, make it more and more enjoyable, memorable, and and happening, cool and happy at the same time. Okay guys, just don't try to focus on the okay negative part. Okay, don't try to say negative things about yourself in your mind, in your heart. Okay, it is gonna impact you in a long run. Okay, so I will create a separate video on this, on strong life habits. Okay, so guys, if you want to become a great and dynamic personality as well, then guys, this channel Code with ER is definitely for you. And guys, you should definitely subscribe my the channel Code with ER, and it will also empower me, it will also make me a strong person, it will also enhance my confidence, it will also give me the boost like the confidence, energy to create awesome videos, to create cool videos for you guys. Okay, always and always. Okay, to teach you something new, to teach you something cool, to teach you something dynamic. Okay, from my experience, from my knowledge. Okay, so please guys, you will subscribe now my the channel Code with ER, and you will press the bell icon also, and you will like this video as well. Okay, so I hope guys you will learn something from this video, from this session. Guys, still you have any doubt, any query regarding this video, regarding this session, then please guys, the comment box is open below this, okay, video guys, and you are most welcome, you are invited also to share your comments, to share your feelings, to share your thoughts with me, ER Prabhat Pandit only. I will definitely read it, and I will definitely revert it back. And guys, I will definitely try to guide you in a positive, in a better way on the journey of your own life. Okay, so guys, you can consider me as your motivator, as your, okay, well wisher, as your friend, as your brother. Guys, you can definitely, guys, definitely you can consider me as your well wisher, as your motivator, as your friends, as your brother, as your helper, as your well wishers as well. And guys, you can definitely share your feelings, your thoughts, your emotions with me on this platform, on this channel Code with ER. I will definitely read it, and I will definitely guide you. I will definitely provide you the better option, the better solution to what to do and what to not do. Okay, regarding the particular issue, regarding the particular problem, regarding the particular, okay, queries you might have. Okay, so you are most welcome, you are invited, and the comment box is open all the time, and I am there for you all the time. Okay, so guys, I hope this is enough for today's session. Okay, so guys, let's just wrap the things. Okay, let's just wrap the session here only. Okay, and I'll see you guys in the next video, in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye bye guys. This is Prabhat Pandit signing off now. Okay, and I hope guys you will subscribe now my channel Code with ER. Okay, so please guys subscribe now. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye guys. This is Prabhat Pandit signing off now.